Moms Every Day, weekdays at 8:55 a.m. is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.
Laser hair removal can be an effective treatment for unwanted hair in many individuals. I'm here today with Dr. Margaret Contras-Sutton from Sutton Ryan Dermatology to talk about the benefits of laser hair removal. And nice to have you here, Doctor.
Thank you, Taryn.
Well, let's talk about laser hair removal and how does it work?
Laser hair removal is a technique using a laser, which is an intense beam of light directed to the area of unwanted hair. And it works by heating up the hair and damaging it so that it is not likely to grow back. And it can be done on any body part that has hair. It can be done on the beard area in men. It can be done on the face. We're seeing a photograph of the beard area in a male. It can be done on the back. Here's an example of the face. And it can be done legs, arms, as we see here. So pretty much anywhere where there is unwanted hair, laser hair removal can be done. I should also mention the bikini area and the underarm area are two very popular sites.
I bet. Now, will it grow back?
That is a very good question. I don't want to give the impression that this is absolutely permanent removal because it is not. We call it permanent reduction, meaning that some hairs will grow back and may require a maintenance treatment.
Or it'll be lighter.
And it'll be lighter and easier to remove.
Who would be an ideal candidate for something like this?
That is another great question. An ideal candidate is someone who has coarse, dark hairs, but their skin is very light. And the reason for that is that the laser is attracted to pigment. And so that's how the laser knows to attack the hairs. If the hairs are dark, then the laser will identify them. If that patient's skin is dark, the laser will have more trouble in distinguishing the hair versus the skin. So that's why if you are a person with a lot of pigment in the skin, you probably are not a good candidate for this treatment.
How many treatments do you need once you get started with this?
It does require multiple treatments, and it varies from person to person. It could be 5 to 6 to 7 or 8. And after a series has been completed, it would require a maintenance treatment every 6 months or whatever to maintain those good results. And then I do want to add that the time in between treatments depends on the location. So if the hairs grow really quickly, like on the face, then we'd probably wait a month between sessions. However, if the hairs are on the legs or arms that you're treating, they would probably take more like 6 to 8 weeks before a repeat.
Okay, doctor, we're out of time, but thank you. Good to know.
Thank you.
And if you would like to know more on laser hair removal, you can log on to momseveryday.com, find the health button, and click on the Sutton Ryan Dermatology page.
Moms Every Day, weekdays at 8:55 a.m. is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.